So dudes, welcome back to the channel, touching down from Chiang Mai City in northern Thailand as always, and the sun is out today. We had a major storm overnight, but yes, lovely now. And today we are in the Haiya District, another road stomping ground, and we are going to eat today at one of Chiang Mai's most famous, popular Khao Soi restaurants. Here we are, and we've struck lucky today. There's hardly no one here. This is Khao Soi Lung Prakit Com, otherwise known as Khao Soi Netflix. So this place got famous for being on Netflix. I forget who the guy was. I'll put it up on the screen. And Mark Wiens as well came here. There should be a wall inside with all the celebrity photos. Maybe we can get Walkabout Wayne up there, eh? Nah, Walkabout Wayne ain't gonna be good enough to go on the celebrity wall, I don't think. So it was a guy called Phil that came here on Netflix. I had it all wrote down. I can't see me bloody phone screen, so I'll put it up on the screen and you can look him up. I think he's a famous blogger or TV personality, but he first came here, and then after that, that's just what made it super famous. And now, you know, the Thais love anything like that it's been on Netflix. But they do nice Khao Soi here, and you can get a really big portion if you ask for that. So we're gonna go in and eat here today. So Mark Wiens as well made this place famous, and there should be the pictures. Here's the pictures. I just wanted to see straight away who has been in here. So we got I think we've got some Asian content creators. Oh, there's Mark Wiens, look. There's Mark Wiens up there. And I'm taking it, this must be the field guy from Netflix. I would have thought so. Here's pictures of everybody, all the staff, look. Oh, lovely. Beautiful. Arroy. It's 80 baht now. The big portion is 80 baht. Starts at 60, some of them are 70. Right, so this place has been serving customers for over 40 years and is recognised by the Michelin Guide. Yes, I forgot to say that. It's a Michelin Guide restaurant as well. That's why it's famous. Khop Kap. Thank you, miss. So this is it. This is the famous Khao Soi, Netflix Khao Soi. It's nice Khao Soi, you know. So I would say in an hour's time there'll be a queue outside. I think this one's 70. Yeah, it's really nice today. I can see why it's popular now. It jets it. Right, show you the wall again, look. There's the old Mark Wiens. You get special treatment. Mate, he didn't even speak to me, man. Didn't even speak, mate. But I'll show it, you know. Let's go. The old stomping ground. Looks like there's going to be some rain coming in again, so we're out early having a stomp around. What's this wagon here then? Oh yeah, doing some work here, look. Got the old electrical cables. Yeah, very quiet down here as well, man. It's a lovely Khao Soi, right? Lovely Khao Soi, 70 baht. The pork was tender, beautiful. Really good ingredients, and yeah, don't get me wrong, it is lovely, but I'm gonna show you the one I prefer. Let's get a drink here first. Sabadi Mai. Really? You changed this construction? Yeah, it's different. Right, we're gonna get a drink at this lady's shop. She said 4 years. I remember it. So I think the coffee shop, the wall was here, and you just come up. It was like side of the road. She's done all this here. So we're gonna get a drink here a minute. Look how quiet Haiya is. The best places I've been are the little places like this, or the place I'm gonna show you in a minute. There's thousands of Khao Soi places around, and they just get made famous by a top vlogger going in or something. That's the only difference in my eyes. But yeah, lovely place, lovely Khao Soi. Wow, she was here since 16 years old. I remember Miracle Coffee.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
here. Then you moved here. This not Miracle no more. No. Right, okay. Had me lunch. Nice coffee out on the road here, hey. It's the good life. Looks like we've got some rain coming in again. Oh mate, I was sat in there ages. It was a monster coffee. I couldn't finish it. But yeah, it was a coffee shop. She's done all the front out. It's a really nice place to sit now. Do I know this guy down here? Is it him? I think it is. I think it is. No, it's not, is it? Everybody looks the same now, man. No, it's not the guy I know. I buy like this in my area. It's got some sticky rice in here. 10 baht. You can even buy 5 baht. I buy this sometimes in the evening when I want to eat something at home. Sometimes now I will just buy 2 boiled eggs and one of them 10 baht rices. So it comes to like 30-40 baht. This guy here does the rice as well, look. So he just sells it like this, swaddy cap. And all the locals buy it. In the evening you'll see them all going out for their rice. In old scales like this everywhere, man. Daily room, Nara house, I'd say that one's cheap up there. So what I wanted to talk about was some of the news as well. And yeah, the rainy season has started, and the fatalities as well. The two people that was killed on Doi Intanon was very, very sad. A lot of people were talking about that as well. They came down on the PCX after the rains and yeah, hit a truck and they both died. There's something else as well. They pulled a body from the moat as well. A young Thai boy, I think, down at Koala Park. So yeah, that's nothing to do with the weather. But yeah, things like that has been in the news. And yeah, why I said about the two, I think they were Bell, he was a content creator or something, and well, it don't matter what he was, but yeah, they crashed in the rain in Doi Intanon, and it's made me think I want to go on a road trip now, but I never go in the rainy season. Saying that, look at it now, it's not the full-blown rainy season yet, so the best time is probably to go right now before the next couple months. But I normally don't, because of that factor. The roads are so slippy now, man. I nearly lost it the other day as well after it was raining. It makes you think, especially on a Honda Click, mate, with combi brakes. I just wish I had ABS brakes. If I had ABS brakes, right, I wouldn't, it would give me more peace of mind. When it tips down, I know I'm a bit more comfortable on a bike with ABS. I've been up Doi Intanon 2 times on Lucille, and it is a steep climb, and I wouldn't really like to do it in the rain, man, especially with somebody on the back as well, a scooter. So this here is my favourite Khao Soi spot. This is the best one for me. It's the same lady. I used to come in here all the time. So hey, it's the same woman on the hello, how are you? Good. Yeah, I've not been in here for a long time, but this one is really, really good. This place, I don't remember this place. Old workshop. Never remembered that place. So this here was a co-working spot here. Big boy car wash and bike rental. Hey, didn't know they done bike rental here. I didn't know they done bike rental here, man. I thought it was just car wash. Red PCX. See, I have been thinking about renting one for a road trip. I want ABS. I want a newer model. Jesus Christ, man. No. I could take Lucille everywhere, but the more miles that goes on her, the less I want to go on a big trip. Let this big boy go fast a minute. Please. Let this guy go as well. See, another Khao Soi shop here. It'll be, you know, it'll be just as good, man. It won't be much different. Well, you do get bad ones, of course you do, but most of them are all top-notch Khao Soi shops. So this is the Mae Kha Canal. We've been down here loads. Yeah, so after, apparently now, it's lost all its charm. There was a big piece about it in one of the news sites that nobody's coming here so much because it's starting to smell again. That's what apparently is going on. So they done all this up, made it all cool. It was buzzing for ages. I think it still is in the evenings, but apparently the sewage is coming back into the water or something, or they've let it go again, and some locals and some tourists are complaining about the smell. I was reading it about 2 weeks ago, so I'm not sure what they're doing about that, or if anything. It's very quiet today, but it is midday here, and nobody's walking down there really like this, but it does look quieter. There's normally a few tourists there, even in the daytime. So we're not going to do that again. We're going to walk on around. Is this going to be Thai boxing? Yes. Wow, not seen this. I think they're making a new boxing ring. Muay Thai classes. Yeah, this is going to be a new Muay Thai look. Going to be new training. Hello. So you're going to be able to do your Muay Thai right here, right next to Mae Kha Canal. What's it going to be called? Muay Thai and CrossFit. Oh my days. I ain't seen this. Wow. Swaddy Cap. Hey, this is amazing. Yeah, this is new, brand new. Look, all the stuff still on some of the gym equipment. That's probably one of the better ones that I've seen, man. Oh yeah, brand new, not even open, look, not even finished. Right next to Mae Kha. I always thought like they could do so much more with this bit here. And now that's going to draw in a lot of Westerners and Farangs down here doing courses. This used to be the vegetarian shop back in the day. This was one of the best little vegetarian shops that we used to come to. Now it's a child foundation. So yeah, totally different. Hello. Yeah, that used to be, it's crazy how time flies, man. I think I've done a vlog here, haven't I? Where we've come down here. It was a little old shop with a lady, and she would cook up in the kitchen. The kitchen would be out the side here. But this is for the kids, look. That's really cool, isn't it? I would like to show this actually. So the kids can come here, look, and play table tennis and stuff. I'm sure that's what he said it was as well. So we've looked in here as well before. Ban Sin Cow. This place was cheap as well. I thought these Farangs were staying here. This is a popular place, this one, with the Farangs. They all stay here, loads of places. Forget the name of it. Asa. Yeah, Asa. I think it's changed the name again. Hello, good dancing, man. Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Haiya, so quiet. It's low season, but it's lower than low season. It's more lower than that. Hello, miss. Ah, nice lady there. Stopped at a chat. Swap line IDs, as you do. She just moved from Surin and she works in the bars, Lloyd Road. And she was telling me she lives above the bar and all the girls live in the same room above, and they're all asleep now because they work all night, obviously. And she's up early, all the girls are asleep. She's going back home now, and she works Lloyd Road for the last 5 months. Hello, how are you? This girl waving. So yeah, the vlog was meant to be about the Khao Soi shop. That's what it's going to be called. But 3/4 of the vlog ain't going to be nothing to do with it. But there you go. That's how you go. We'll make it 2 names. We'll call it Thailand Chiang Mai News and the famous Khao Soi shop or something. So the other thing I seen was the guy getting arrested going up Doi Suthep. So I seen the footage, man. This guy was on a motorbike. You know, you get these bellends all the time. They rent a bike and they go crazy up Doi Suthep, you know, acting hard and stuff. And yeah, people complained about him or something and he got arrested. They took his bike away from him, and the footage was crazy, man. He was going, you know, standing up on a bike. This used to be like an old bits and bobs shop. Now it's a restaurant, so I ain't even seen that. 69 baht, stir fry. Hello, Swaddy Cap. Ah, Yeah, we'll try one day soon, okay? Soon.
Soon.
Yeah, thank you. So, yes, Sawadi Kitchen. Yeah, we will leave.
99 baht and including breakfast together.
Everything.
Every
Free course.
let begin.
Begin.
Yeah.
Okay, so 299 for breakfast.
Breakfast. Yeah.
Right, just breakfast.
Yes,
One breakfast. Thai breakfast or Western?
Yeah.
Thai.
Thai.
Breakfast.
If
Okay.
you anything else, you can order.
Okay, I will show your shop. Okay. Thank you so much. That used to be a bits and bobs. 299. He must mean that's a set meal, right? I thought it was a free course meal or something. So this is Kadcon Market. Absolute legend of a market. Not the biggest in the world. Starting to miss this a little bit. I have to be honest. I still do like being out of the city, but what I miss is just hopping on the bike for 2 minutes and being out in the thick of it, you know? Where I live now, it's a mission coming into... Well, it's not a mission, but it's a 20-minute ride every time. Just trying to see if that girl was here. I always used to... She's on my thumbnail for one of my videos. She works here, I think. In the night time, she's not here. That we used to talk to all the time. Oh, banana lady. The infamous banana lady, the one that don't like me no more. Here she is, look. She does still remember me as well. We've talked about her. Right, let's keep going. I think she spotted me as well. That's the one that got angry with me. She wouldn't let me choose me bananas, man. She tries giving you the ones she wants to. Ah, look at these dogs, look. Look at these. Look at this stoner, Snoop Doggy Dog. Ah, hello. What's your name, eh? You look wasted. Yeah, look tired. Sabai. Cool. Yeah, look at them, look. And got this one got purple. Got purple. They've dyed his hair, look. Ah, your dog? You? Oh, okay. Dog look wasted, didn't he? Right, I'm in the middle of the road here. See all these little places, I never go in them. It's just too many. Lucille's parked in the temple. See, they constructed all this. This was all nothing a few years back. I remember coming in here. They done it all up. Now it looks lovely. I think I'm going to leave it there, guys. We had a walk around, a chat. It was mainly about the accidents in the rainy season in the bikes. We was waffling on about something, but it was meant to be about the famous Khao Soi shop. So we're going to make a vlog out of this. I'm going to stop waffling. I'm getting down to the Ping River and going to chill out with another green tea. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.